Hello, and a warm welcome to everyone. My name is Anshika Malvia, and I head the enterprise customer growth for Workplace in India. I work with businesses just like yours every day to transform companies into connected communities by improving employee experience and creating a future of work that works for everybody. The last 18 months have challenged many of our core assumptions about the world of work. Companies have pivoted, plans have changed, and ideas that seemed impossible 2 years ago are being discussed and embraced in the virtual boardrooms across the world. As we think about what comes next, we must take into account different approaches to vaccination and different speeds of economic recovery. Businesses continue to focus on customer centricity. However, we know that the real foundation of any business is its employees. O.C. Tanner recently did a study on the impact of COVID on the company culture and found several declines in engagement, retention, and overall employee experience scores, especially amongst the organizations with non-thriving cultures. To prepare for the post-pandemic era, businesses and HR leaders have had to step up and tweak existing processes, but also introduce new ones with strategies that create a more collaborative, flexible, and inclusive environment that motivates their workforce. According to Microsoft's Work Trend Index, India is the second largest country in the world to face a burnout amongst its employees. The lack of separation between work and personal obligations has negatively impacted the well-being of employees. While productivity levels still remain fairly consistent, this has come at the expense of people's well-being. That's no surprise when data shows that the length of the workday has increased by 16% in India. One of the most important reasons for broken employee experience is the lack of consideration of your most important workforce, your frontline employees. Let me give you an example. Despite being able to order your food delivery on an app with an amazing user experience, it's the quality of the delivery driver that makes or breaks your experience. Frontline employees are the ones that help customers have that good experience. Many companies don't put a high priority on communicating with their frontline, and they're often left out of the internal communication and receive minimal investments in digital workplace technology, which produces disconnected and disengaged employees, leading to lower business revenues. Many organizations were already embarking on the digital transformation journey before COVID-19. COVID-19 also gave millions in organizations a crash course in accelerating their digital efforts. CXOs now realize that it's the employees who are the key enablers to this business transformation. By taking the employee first strategy and having a strong focus on employee experience, we've seen that they've proven to be repeatedly better for your bottom line. So, how can you use employee experience to succeed in your digital transformation? Digitally mature companies are 23% more profitable than less mature ones. If you want to see how closely tuned the relationship between employee experience and digital tools is, just implement the wrong technology and you will see the impact very quickly. However, besides boosting productivity and performance, the right technology and tools can be a great enabler for new behaviors and cultural change. According to the research from MIT, when organizations get employee experience right, they achieve twice the customer satisfaction and innovation and generate 25% higher profits than those that don't. However, organizations are still leaning on video conferencing tools, email, intranet to deliver employee experience. The era of one size fits all is coming to an end, and organizations need to create employee experiences that are more personalized, more connected, and more empowering. We need a wholesale shift that puts people, not processes, at the heart of company decision making. At Facebook, we believe there's another way. At Facebook, we have a decade of experience connecting people and building communities. Like Facebook was built to connect the world of people, Workplace is built to connect the world of work. We build technology that is simple and anybody in the world can pick up and start using in 5 minutes. Workplace by Facebook is an organization-wide communication tool that connects employees to one another via an internal network. Think of it like a private instance of Facebook just for your organization. Workplace borrows all of the right user-grade experience from Facebook, elevates it with the right enterprise-grade control and security to help organizations build culture, community, and belonging at work. But why use a Facebook-owned platform for employee experience? Because 80% of Indians use Facebook, making it a familiar platform across corporate and remote staff. There is zero learning curve, and it's super easy to even onboard frontline workers, blue-collar staff, and email-less employees. We use Workplace internally at Facebook too for connecting our 55,000 workforce. We cut across industries to serve large enterprises, conglomerates, as well as SMBs, governments, and banks. So what's the business effects we've seen with our customers? Our customers see organic employee engagement grow upwards of 80% on our platform. A recent Forrester's Total Economic Impact study found that our customers saw 25% reduction in the cost of leadership communication, and 72% of Workplace customers said that they strengthened their company's core mission and values across their employees. We were able to improve and sustain on employee NPS, whether it's working across different teams or different time zones, asynchronous or synchronous, in person or remote, structured or informal communication. Workplace becomes that engagement layer that connects all employees together. We use technology that integrates with your legacy tech and makes it better. An important part of Workplace environment is its integrations with other enterprise providers. This includes integrations with more than 80 enterprise apps spanning analytics, bot platforms, productivity, voice, and even video conferencing. Employee engagement is our expertise. We aim to improve employee experience that helps organizations create a thriving culture with engaged employees and inspiring leaders. Through Workplace, we unify employee experience across 4 key areas: engagement, well-being, learning, and knowledge, and provide an integrated experience that empowers your employees. We partner with enterprises for several use cases, like creating leadership visibility, replacing their intranet, making company data more discoverable, new hire onboarding, pre-hire onboarding, crisis management, building a culture of innovation and idea generation, knowledge sharing, bottom-up communication and feedback, building bots on Workplace to automate workflows, and most importantly, connecting the frontline workers like delivery agents, sales agents, manufacturing, and warehouse staff to the HQ. Workplace brings together everybody in the organization to be successful from day one. So what, in my view, is the key ingredient in creating or recreating employee experience? Firstly, communication. Communication needs to be at the forefront of any strategy. Moving from top-down communication approach to facilitating two-way conversations provides a unique opportunity to listen and understand how to share people's experiences at work. Secondly, building community. Building community will lead to improved business performance and increased innovation. And it is this innovation which will set our companies apart. We all know that communities rather than individuals deliver sustained innovation. Organizations now understand that building culture, connection, and community isn't a nice to have. it is a competitive advantage. Those that can adapt, move quickly, and align the organization to these values will win and retain talent internally, which in turn will help them win and retain customers externally. Olam is one of our customers and is a leader in food and agribusiness. They provide food ingredients, feed, and fiber to customers worldwide. Their organization consists of 87,000 full-time and seasonal contract employees, majorly based in India and Singapore. They've built leadership positions in farming, buying, processing, sales, and operations in over 80 countries. Before Workplace, they had very few opportunities for open two-way conversations, very limited to one-way desktop, intranet, email communication, which restricted their ability to engage with global and diverse workforce. They had a sense of urgency in transforming their culture and building internal employer branding to attract and retain talent. The two biggest areas where Olam has benefited from Workplace is that it's been a real-time mobile platform that connects everybody. And because of the auto-translation functionality that supports up to 80 languages, we've made it easy for them to connect to their diversified workforce. As we've seen over and over again, organizations that have the highest performing culture also have the most successful financial results. We have already done this for the world's most innovative companies like Nestle, Starbucks, AstraZeneca, Accenture, Spotify, McDonald's, Chevron. And we've also done it for a lot of Indian companies like L&T, Tata, Godrej, Sterlite, HDFC Ergo, and many more. We've helped 30,000 organizations across the globe to find their competitive advantage and re-emerge stronger than ever. I've heard a proverb recently that I'm sure all of you already know. It goes, the best time to plant a seed is 20 years ago. The second best time is now. What that means is all of us can do this. The future of work isn't around the corner. It starts with the actions we take today to put people first and connect the unconnected. It's a future that I can't wait to be a part of. And I'm looking forward to working with you to make it happen. Thank you so much for taking the time to join me today. We would love to continue the conversation at our virtual booth in the exhibition area. There, you can find out more about Workplace and how we help you gain competitive advantage and learn more from our customers. Plus, we're offering a free 20-minute guided onboarding session for your 30 days free trial. Come and check us out. Thank you.